Hey guys, it's Shaan M over here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Skullcandy Crusher Wireless. These are some amazing headphones with 40 hours of battery life and they're Bluetooth. These are amazing, so let's go ahead and just unbox it.
Hey guys, it's Vanilla Archers here, and I would just like to give a huge shout out to Shaan here for letting me be on his channel. So as you can see, I have the same headphones that he's about to be unboxing. They're the Skullcandy Crusher headphones. They have, I'll just say one thing now, they have incredible bass. You even have a little controller here for the bass, and honestly, so other headphones for around this price range, these are considered pretty well, because I actually got myself Beats a while ago, Solo 2 Reds, and honestly, just for having these a day, I already feel like they're much better. And that's all I have to say about these headphone guys. I don't want to say too much about them since Shaan here will be unboxing them here. So yeah, I'll throw it right over to Shaan.
So now I'm just going to unbox it. So this is the box itself. As you guys can see, the front, the side of the features, the back. And again, it is Bluetooth with the amazing 40 hours of battery life that you would never get on any other headphones.
Oh, I got this.
This is awkward.
I got this, guys. Just to let you know, it's me, Vanilla Archers, video recording right now.
Okay, so bass that you can feel, guys. This press and hold pair device. Why am I reading that? So first, you guys get the headphones itself, and it says enjoy. You get the accessory pack with, I'm guessing, the actual aux cable and maybe charger cable, right? And over here, the quick start guide if you guys don't know how to use it, but we're going to be covering that in a later review on this channel. And yeah, like I said, here's the actual case it comes with. Over here, nice little warm inside. What is this, Vanilla Archers?
It's a pocket for, you know, your accessories if you want to keep your charger or even your aux cable. Said cord for some reason.
And the inside is made out of some sort of type of fake fur, but it's really kind of cool. Cushions the headphones. The headphones over here are foldable, as you guys can see. Have a little wire to the side. Skull Crusher logo to the side.
You got your buttons on both sides. You got the bass boost.
You also have your micro USB charger and your aux cable. And the cushions are really big. They go over your ear. Oh my god, this isolates so much of the sound, I can barely hear anything. But yeah, they feel really nice actually. You can spring them out a little bit more. And yeah, that's all that I'm going to say right now. Again, I will have a later review posted on this later on the channel. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.